What is up, y'all? How you guys doing? I just dropped my mom off at her dentist appointment. So let me turn the car on because I need some let me get y'all straight. So I just like I said, good morning. I just dropped my mom off at her dentist appointment. She's gonna get some little cleaning and whatnot done, and I'm about to get me some Starbucks while she's doing all of her doings. And we gonna chit chat, y'all. What is up? How you guys doing? It is cold, y'all see this little ensemble I got on? I got a little blazer, I got a little neck going on. It's cold out here in these streets. I need to have a whole hat on, but unfortunately we don't have. Look what I bought yesterday, y'all, because my lips were so dry at work. I picked up this NYX. This is juice gloss, and this is coconut chill. So this little thing right here, you probably got seen these before. I ran past these before when I was in Oaks, but I didn't pick them up. I'm looking for some lotion. I just went to the restroom and now my hands are a little dry. Okay, but anywho, happy Wednesday, guys. Let me tell y'all about my fiasco last night. So I just uploaded a video this morning, right? And I need a little bit more. These hands. This is from Sephora. This is one of their little holiday lotions from last year that I'm still squeezing on. I was trying to upload a video last night. The video wouldn't even download, and then when it did download from like iMovie, that's what I use. I keep it real simple. When it uploaded into YouTube, it was saying I had a copyright. And I'm like, I don't use crazy music. I use free music from YouTube. I don't use any crazy music. They kept saying I had some music by the name of Boring. The name of the song was called Boring by somebody named Lex Road. Didn't have it. Did not have it. But what I did was they gave me the area on where this copyright was. So I just cut that piece of the song out and put something else in that spot, and voila. The video went up this morning. I wanted to go up last night, but it didn't. But I was in a little funk because I was recording, but I wasn't recording, and the videos that I did record, they weren't old, but they weren't like within the week. So I was kind of like in a little run and just kind of like in a funk, if you will. So I got out of that. Here we are, and I'm just trying to stay warm. As you guys can see, I'm just trying to stay warm. But to go get some coffee. I don't want to burn you guys' ears, because I can just keep running on talking like y'all getting ready to answer me. But y'all are answering me. That's why I'm talking. Go get some coffee. Okay, did y'all see all of that driving just to get to a damn Starbucks? Like, where am I? Where am I? Why? But anywho, we here. I wanted to get that spinach feta wrap. It is really good, but they didn't have it. And I already had said I wasn't gonna be doing no buying fast food or getting coffee and all of that. But today is an exception. Like, I had to run out. I didn't have any time this morning. I'm making excuses, right? No excuses, Kelly. I failed. But yeah, let's get this coffee. Y'all, I've been wearing this little lip gloss. This is from Fenty. This is the Fenty cream. I cannot tell you what shade it is. It's the little brownie one, because the writing is just so small. Look at the nice.
Hello, morning.
How you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
You are gorgeous, by the way.
Thank you.
You have like perfect teeth.
Oh, thank you.
Here you go, love.
Thank
and I
you.
don't have any stoppers. Is that okay?
That's okay.
I could give you some extra napkins.
Yeah, I'll take some napkins.
Here you go, love.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good one. Thank you.
You too. Thank you.
Goodbye. Okay, so I got my coffee. I got that apple crisp macchiato something. They didn't have oat milk, so they gave me whole milk. I probably should have got almond or not soy, but I probably should have got that, but I didn't. But I just got a text from my mom. I thought she was going for a cleaning. I'm like, Mom, I'm gonna bring back some coffee, you know. And she's like, no, I'm getting ready to have work done. Work. Come to find out, I gotta wait 2 hours, hour and a half at minimum. So good thing I do have this coffee, something to keep me quiet. All right, y'all, let's get back over there to that dentist area, because Lord knows. And y'all gonna talk to me. Back in this car. I've been running errands. I got my mom home. It's still early. It's almost 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna go into the office and just work until 5, get some things done. And I'm looking down like, what is that? Put some of my lip gloss on. Yeah, I'm feeling this lip. I'm mad. I'm just now in the groove of this, but I'm happy I went to the post office now. So I have to go after work, because after work, getting to this particular post office, it's one downtown, but you can't park your car. You gotta go park in the deck. It's just too much. So we got it done over here. Let's get to work, get some hours in, then we're gonna hang out this evening and see if we can get into. This is a whole new freaking day. I'm just getting off work. I'm about to go run to Target really quickly, and I gotta go to BJ's. I wish there was BJ's when I went and got some gas, but I did not do that. I'm gonna go buy some food containers, like the glass ones, and from my understanding, they have like a set there that you can get. because your girl's been very good with bringing her lunch, as I said I would. Now, other things I won't good with, but I gotta do one thing at a time. So I want to get some storage containers so I can meal prep for next week. I want to make sure I have all my lunches for work taken care of. And then I think I want to try this oatmeal thing, like overnight oats. But I know I'm not gonna want that every morning, so I don't want to go too crazy with buying like food storage containers and stuff like that. But yeah, let's get up out of here. Got this parking deck and get to Target's, our happy place, right? So I came in here for one thing only, and I'm getting real nervous because I'm seeing stuff. We've been running all day. Everywhere. Y'all know I'm scared of knives, but guess what? I think I'm gonna go with this one for starters, if I can get back into the bigger knives. Okay, so I can leave now, but my daughter just called. Well, she sent me a text. My daughter just texted me, and she's like, "Ma, where you at?" So I told her where I was, and she's like, "I want some muffins." You know, you gotta get these BJ Sam's Club muffins, these big old steroid muffins. What's up, y'all? Look at the sun trying to set on me. But let me tell y'all something. Remember I was telling you guys a while ago I wanted to get me a cleaning service. I want to find somebody to help me because I'm trying to live a soft life, okay? And everybody trying to make a living somehow, so I'm trying. And I was really kind of skeptical about just anybody coming into my home. So this young lady, I knew she had a cleaning service, but I didn't know how to get in contact with her or anything like that. I didn't know because she was somebody my daughter went to high school with. So, you know, she has her business. And I've heard word. I asked my daughter. She told me, yes, it is true. But, again, nobody ever gave me information. And it kind of dropped the ball. I'm in Target, perusing the aisles, looking for a freaking lunch bag. And guess who I see in Target? The young lady. I said, no. When I saw her, I'm going to lie. When I saw her, I just walked past because she was engulfed in something. But then I saw her again. And I said, hey. She said, I thought that was you. She gave me a hug. We talked. I said, how you been doing? What you doing now? And she was like, you know, just, you know, da, 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 da. I said, I hear you got a cleaning service. She said, I do. I was like, you got a card on you? She was like, no, but I got my Instagram. I was like, all right. So we exchanged Instagrams and checked out her stuff. But anywho, let me show you what I got from Target really quickly. I got me some more of these guys because let me tell you something. Your girl's in love now. Then I got some of these because it's that time of year. I don't know about you guys, but something about the colder months, I get a little stuffy, so I want to be proactive. And plus, these are nice when you just want to have a nice, good vaporized bath or shower, if you will. Okay, you see it? Can you see it? There you go. Then I got me some more of this. This is the stuff I swear by. Then I got some of this. I swear by this stuff right here. This stuff right here. I should have got 2 bottles, but I only got 1. I still have another one that's kind of halfway full. I'm going to put that one downstairs and bring this one up because I use this in the showers everywhere. I love it. So here's my bag. Don't laugh at me, y'all. I just didn't want to have a bag. I was looking for an all-black bag, y'all. I was looking for an all-black bag. They didn't have one. They did have a nice, like, grayish, creamish one. But it just reeked summer and spring, and I was like, that's not what I'm going for right now. I got this animal print. It's black, but you know what? My work, like my laptop rolly bag is black. I was like, Kelly, go ahead. So I got this one. It's only $20. But it comes with 3 bowls. It's called Lunch Tote, and it's by this lady. Bold is the new beautiful. She's a black lady, so I guess she makes these bags or whatever. I'm not a real fan of this print right here, but you know what? For the price, and for me to put my lunch in, and they got all these darn compartments, and it came with 3 of these. I'm not a big fan of the plastic, but you know what? It will do. I just bought some glass ones, so happy about that. So I got these. I thought this was really cute. I guess, you know, it's kind of deep. I can put my lunch in here. I can put a little water bottle on the side. So that's this thing. So let's get to the house because your girl is tired. I have not made it back to the house yet. And I'm just tired. Got a little handle right here. Got a little strap right here. Lunch is going to be real nice. I done spent, something's in my eye. I done spent about $100 just that quick. You see how money can go? But I got things that I needed. Oh, and y'all see I got them knives, right? I don't know if I had mentioned anything while I was walking around, but I said, Kelly, stop being afraid of using bigger knives. I'll use a small knife in a minute. In a minute, I'll be cutting up a whole chicken trying to get it with a little knife. So Kelly, get past your fear. Just go slow. So I got those, and I saw a nice pot set in there that I wanted. So I might go back and get that. I should have bought it while I was in there.